Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Metamask account. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Metamask application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see Welcome to Metamask. Tap on Get Started. Now here tap on Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. Now here if you want to receive marketing emails, then you can tap on the given box. After this, tap on I agree. Then once look at all the terms of use, then tap on the box stating I agree to the terms of use. Now here tap on accept. Then make sure that you have secret recovery phrase. You can also directly scan the QR. For this, tap on the small barcode next to the box. Then you can scan the QR code. If not, you can manually enter all the 12 secret recovery phrase. Make sure that the secret recovery phrase are in correct order. After this, tap on New Password box and enter the correct password of your account. Or you can also create your new password for your account. Then tap on Confirm Password and re-enter your password. Now tap on Import option. With this, your previous wallet will be imported and your Metamask account will be logged in. Here you can see my Metamask account has been logged in. And this is how we can log in Metamask account. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.